Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about Apex Trader funding activation fees. So basically here in your ETF.com you can see there's going to be a monthly fee and there's also going to be your one-time fee. So let's just go back right there, and then basically let's just go to the very bottom and find that again. So here you will have your fees. So you have 147 a month for your starting capital of $25,000 all the way up to $137 a month for this 100k static, also this 300k full for $657 per month. But basically here in the fees section you can see in your signatures, and then here your account you can see your payment link there and you can pay there. So basically here there's going to be your activation types. There's going to be a monthly and there's going to be account lifetime. So you can choose to do this for the first 10 years and then 0.01 for each 10 years. So here there's going to be a 25k for 130, 50 for 140, 75 for 180, and then 100k for 220, and 150 for 260, 250 for 300, and 300 for 340. So there you go. Here in the Tradovate PA, there's going to be activation fees also for account lifetime, like 25k, 150, 50k for 160, 70k for 200, and 100 for 240, 150 for 280, 250 for 320, and 300 for 360. So there you go guys, those are the Apex Trader funding activation fees. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.